The light out there to enjoy, so enjoy it!
Same voice as Heather's pacifism.
She isn't going to eat the brown parts of this banana.
Are you mental?
No, I am not.
I said nitrogen monoxide more gibberish.
Nitrogen
monoxide again.
Nitrogen
I keep
monoxide
saying
more
nitrogen
monoxide.
monoxide.
You said nitrogen monoxide 2 times in a row.
Do I have to say this again? I said do not summon any Class E Zupo effects.
Auspicious Obedient is saying nonsense. Just gibberish and the land of bog show.
Oh no.
At
Good
least
minimal,
you didn't say nitrogen
don't
monoxide.
try to say nitrogen monoxide.
Unlike Free Angel like
After
so many
all
times.
of your videos, you don't say nitrogen monoxide.
STO, what are you doing? It's me, baby Connor, having a huge diarrhea.
You.
That's disgusting.
Yucky. You don't say that here.
Why Russian? I don't speak Russian.
Are you speaking Russian inside SNT?
What did I tell you?
Plaski zupa.
Why did you hit me minimal?
Because you are a mental of difficulty. Get back here right now.
Right, Undertale.
I like it.
Inside out to background.
Bye-bye.
Ouch, my big hurt. And I'm stuck.
And where are you disgust?
I'm right here.
This one.
Yeah,
This overused
I don't
KineMaster
say
background
nitrogen
nowadays.
not
Oh.
auspicious.
Stick in your diet result.
Hey,
Have you ever heard
no
of
brain rot allowed on Minimal's channel.
No, not me, Abba.
Oh, come on. Did I hear Minimal?
Hey, how dare you copy me? That's ID! Summoning a Class E CSUCO event. And this time, while disgust isn't looking.
Don't call remorseless Kinito. You heard what he said? He just said if he hears one more Kinito, then the scene is gonna get destroyed. I spoke too soon.
Shoot.
No, stop it, remorseless. Why, he?
How are you doing, Ken? Why are we a blue screen of death?
Because Remorseless destroyed the scene.
Doing obedient.
First of all, you upset Remorseless.
And you even
Second of all,
made
you almost
disgust
made me cry.
shocked.
Third of all, Minimal had to leave.
Stop it, auspicious obedient.
No.
Obedient likes it.
Stop ID!
Whoever made this needs to get this out.
What is going on?
Auspicious Obedient is, I can't explain.
All I know is he turned off my Hatsune Miku.
Change it to Skibbity Toilet.
Yes, I did, and nitrogen monoxide more.
Stop
saying nitrogen monoxide.
In every video.
No, 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 no.